Hey there YouTube, how's it going? Welcome back to another episode on Revit Architecture. On this BIM tutorial, what I'm going to be covering is how to crop out model components that are behind a crop region. So what's after happening to me here is I'm after creating a room elevation view, which is capturing this elevation over here. So in theory, what we should be capturing is just from this line all the way over to this wall. And what's actually happening is if you look at this elevation, we're actually capturing this mirror and a few other little bits and bobs that are over on this wall here. So after doing some research, what I realized what's happening is that, so this is a linked model, so what I'm going to go into is my linked model because I want to be able to access my family here. So this is the family that I'm going to be working with. And what you do is you come in and you edit the family. And you do this because if you create this family, now I've created it as a plumbing fixture, which it is, but the thing is with these elements is that they're hard coded to not be cut by sectional and elevation views. So that means that even if you cut them in a section or cut them in an elevation, you're still going to see the elements that are actually behind it, which is not ideal for your elevation views. So a workaround for this is to come up to this area up here, which is family category and parameters. Click that, and you want to change it to a generic model, and just press OK. Once that's done, load it back into your project. So I'm just going to load it back into my project here, and I'm going to override the existing parameters. Yes, I would like to make it editable. Just bear with me a moment while this loads back in. So I'm working in the linked model at the moment, so I'm just going to save this group and I'm going to synchronize with central, and then I'm going to load it back into my central model, then that's my federated model. And then what that will do is it'll hide those elements that are peeking in from behind, which are obstructing this elevation view that's capturing all these bits and bobs on this WC. Just bear with me a moment now while this loads. Perfect, so that's synchronized. I'm just going to come into this guy here, and I'm going to manage. So manage links. And if this is in your, if you're only working on one model, that's grand. You can just it should just work straight away because you changed it to a generic model. So I'm going to reload that model there, which is the model I was working in, where that family was located. And what that'll do is actually hide these elements. Now in a minute you'll see it come up now in a sec. Just takes a bit of a moment because the model I'm working in is actually a big boy. So as you know, the bigger the model, the longer these wait times are. So that's done now, and I'm just going to press OK, and you'll notice that it disappears. So those elements now are hidden, and I can see everything I need to see on this elevation view in regards to that model family. So that's that tutorial. Hope that was helpful. If it was, drop a like and a comment in the description. And also, if you could like and subscribe, videos and tips and tricks every week. Alright, see you on the next one. Cheers.